Do you think you need a large space to have a garden? It's a common misconception that gardening requires vast expanses. We're here to challenge that notion and introduce you to the world of balcony and apartment gardens. Well, you might be surprised to learn that you can grow a flourishing garden in a small space. Why consider small space gardening, you ask? Well, it's a delightful mix of therapy for the soul, a nod to our planet, and a source of fresh produce right at your fingertips. So, small space gardening is not just convenient, it's rewarding too. Now, how do you start a small space garden? First, pick the right containers. Consider the size, material, and drainage. Next, select the suitable plants. Think about what you love, but also what thrives in your climate and lighting conditions. Lastly, set up your garden. Organize your containers for optimal sunlight exposure and ease of watering. Remember, your garden should be a place of joy and relaxation, not stress. And there you have it. Your small space garden is ready to grow. Here are some tips to ensure your small space garden thrives. Firstly, water appropriately. Overwatering can be as detrimental as underwatering. Secondly, don't forget to fertilize regularly. Nutrient-rich soil is the bedrock of a thriving garden. Lastly, make sure your plants get enough sunlight. Even shade-loving plants need some sunlight. Rotate your plants if necessary to ensure they all get their share of sun. With these tips, your small space garden will be a blooming success. So, are you ready to start your small space garden? Remember, even the tiniest balcony or apartment can become a lush green oasis. It's all about choosing the right plants, proper planning, and consistent care. Embrace the challenge of small space gardening and reap the benefits of your very own green haven. Experience the joys of nurturing life, from sowing seeds to harvesting your own produce. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.